Kani kedai kedudashan MEGHALAYA mani pediang sengop hai pi baru syakatup kubor mentaka janmit. Syuaban pai syaki kubor ki babeniak ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Penbena ka sarkar ban penlong ya gejing tep vote na kabenta ka KHASI haka shpau tarik ubenaya yong bat onyo yaki vote haka khatsau tarik uyayong. Thung ka sarkar jilla ya laipom riangwat ki consultant bat sanpo kendai tadi ki consultancy firm haki tanat bapher ong menteri rambak ke jilla ukonrat ki sangma. Menjur ke kenhuan menteri jong ke jilla ya ka kaipot jong ka expert panel halwarga job reservation policy. Penlong jing keren menteri rambak du kari bat u president kari France u Emmanuel Macron ha Mumbai. Bat bamsmai u nongyalam ka BNP u Tariq Rahman kum menteri rambak du kari Bangladesh. Mentang ini pai syaki kubor na keleng ki benta jong ke jilla. Sarkar jilla kala penbena baya ke election na kabenta ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council an sepenlong haka shipau tarik uyayong ya kabala menjur da ka kenhuan menteri ke jilla. U menteri ke kabinet uba wailat miki shala ula ongba ya ke jing pentip halwar ke election an penmi haka khandai tarik ulber ya ke sngi ka bakhaddo bantep kerteng pat labu haka khandriu tarik ulber. An sepenlong ya ke jing kmi benia haka ju hi ke sngi bat ya ke jing weng kerteng an ai jing bet hadu ka khandniu tarik ulber. Ya katup kerteng ke bakhaddu bat kecing bah ya kisap an penmi haga khat pratarik ulber kecing tap word kan sedang nadu kapor nyo beje men step hadu saw beje janmit haga shpau tarik uyayong la ban pen kan mau bagi seng san perthai bapher kilas dang lepa ya gejing yalap na ka benta ke election haga ba ka National People's Party kala dep ban pen bna ya ki kertong ban yakun na bun teli ki syuki.
So it's like this, the date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124.2, it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026 and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule.
Menteri rambak ke jilla ukonrat ki sangma ula pentip ya ke ying baka sarkar jilla kalathung ya laipon ringwat ki consultant bat sanpo kandai teli ki consultancy firm haba jubab igi jingkeli balkeli da UMLA ka Voice of the People Party uba Havingstone Kharpran ula ong bala penlut saw point lai san klur tingka man la usnem ban siu na ka benta ki consultant ha usnem arajar arpusaw bat arpusan menteri rambak ke jilla ula pensyai ba ya ka consultancy firm chusiu tulop Henry la shusiu ya ki jing siu ki ba kat kum ka kam la ni ki jing yakut kam.
Different agents. Sir, as I mentioned in my reply, that the consultants are paid based on deliverables as per contract. So therefore, once they deliver something, for example, if the DPR has to be made within 2 weeks' time, that deliverable will have a certain amount that has to be paid to them. So therefore, sir, their basic assessment, I should say, is on their own, because if they don't perform and they don't deliver, then they don't get the kind of fees or the money that is being put in the contract. So everything is in the contract and they have to deliver as per a thing, and based on how they deliver, what quality they deliver, on the time they deliver, as per terms and conditions, they are paid. So in a way, so the contract only becomes a mechanism of ensuring that that the payments are made as per the deliverables.
Kakinhun Menteri kala IG Manager halor ka kaipot bala ai da ka expert committee halor ka job reservation policy ka jela ya ka ba anra hakiying dorbar la shai kasni kani ka committee ya ka bala yalam da u justice MC Kark la kala khmi bnia ya ka rukam bah kam kabla don lepa ka ba ai kam 100% chigi jai ben riu khasi jaintia but 100% chigi garo 100% na ka benta ki we ki ST but SC but 100% na ka benta ki unreserved category Kamashwa ka Voice of the People Party kalakintho ya gijing penslam ban pen pau pait ba ya ka kaipon Hakaway pat kalyang kakenhun menteri gejala kala menjeru halor gejing thau ya ka Police Accountability Commission hapo jong ka Meghalaya Police Act ara charge pau hakaba uba Peter Ingti ulalong u chairman Kajing pen kala ya kanika an bat kajing pen kanria ya ka reorganization cell syakatanat home political ru ladap ban pen ben
increase. This is because the police, according to the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, we need to have a accountability commission. So under this commission, we have appointed Shri Peter Ingti, IAS retired as chairman of this committee, and Srimati VR Sen, retired IAS, which retired as secretary in the government of Meghalaya as member of this committee.
President ka Voice of the People's Party ubalongru MLA ka nongkrem uba Arden Miller Basayomoy ulabu jingali halor ke jingkeu chong ka jingyap na ke jingja basngosi ka badangshen da ka bakintho bakadan ke jing persyang bandarap jat halor ke ni ke jingja bat dawa ke jing pensyai halor ke jingdon jangki nong trei ti doyong ha ka tei ke jaka Shushu ulakin tho ru halor gijing kempor na kabenta kalyang persya hakadorbar bat penpau gijing sngo artatien halor gijing tokit bat kinno ru halor gijing don kti ha gijing ti doyong be an da ka baong ba gijing pen kendria tre ya ki he ki han kalong ka bajam palat hadien gijing nu jingdu no ye bun ke men simbriu
discuss. We want to know exactly how many miners are there because those recovered bodies that the government have shown officially were not limited to the numbers that the government have given, right? We are trying to get the information from the local people and we are trying to inquire. Like normally how many miners are used to be to work in one coal mines. So we were told that normally 60 to 70%, that is minimum. So if two coal mines were blasted, were collapsed, so do you think as responsible leader or a public representative will be satisfied with the figures given by the government? We want to know whether the government has got these statistics or not from those people whom they have arrested, whether they have inquired how many miners are there on that that day where the unfortunate incident took place. How the government is conducting, how the house is conducting. So the people also, they understand that the opposition parties will not be given enough opportunity to raise issues concerning the people.
Menteri Katanat Public Health Engineering Marquis and Marang bentagasi ulapentep baya ka kaipot ka babnia halor ka project jong ka scheme sam umbam na ka bentaki snong ha mukhap mukayaw bat mutersia kibahab hapo ka mukayaw constituency ansala ban penkre hadien gejing yo jing mencur kani ka project ka kentop ya gejing shna ya kadam bat ya gejaka penkuit habajubab halor gejing kali jong unong thau an gaseng UDP uba na mukayaw uba nujor ki sungo umarak ula ong ba kani ka scheme katmu ban pensting gejing e na ka jingkadu ka ba manla usnam ha kani ka constituency
87. So, answer to star question 2. So, the DPR shall be prepared immediately on receipt of the land required for construction of various components of the project. It's 4 villages, Mukayu, Motursia A, Motursia B, Mukap. So, total number of population as per the census to 2011 is 9,058. So, and household is 1387. So the different components will be, construction of a dam for the intake point and water treatment plant. Sir.
Ka President Jangka Meghalaya Indigenous Women's Council kakong Baidai Grace Dekar kalapen pau ye gajing sngosi ijur halor gajing ja bethai Jangka par doyong ha East Chanta Hills da ka bakin no ye gajing bom trekam ki kendon an bat gajing bom dan ye kilat kamai jakpo dikiwei hadian gajing khangti doyong Jangka National Green Tribunal Kala ong ba daki hajar ngot ki beriu ki ba imja da ka bati doyong ki dangsa aga jing jenjar bat kala kentu ya menteri rangba gajala ukonrat ki sangma bat ya ke sorkar ban khmi bnia biang halor gani ki jingkhang ban pinsting ki kendon ti doyong kat pum ki jing start sayan bat ban penmi ya kilat kamai jakpo ki ba biang na ka benta ki shnong ki ba shakta
kane ke jingjia kadai ka ba snosi ka ba haduk kata-kata ngimla bermudur namar hado lai puar teli kita kijing im lani kimense mengin shudo ai kalong ka bakta sisa kata hado kata da kajing sngawi kajongi kum kaseng ka seng Meghalaya Indigenous Women's Council MIWC kapan pa kane kapor ba ya kate kajing jia hate kadehi kadaw ba kasorkar kam suinyo yangi habalada kadai kasorkar ka basuinyo yangi habayo daw yung lakhang na do 8,000 khatsaw tementa hado usnem 8,000 arhonrio da kadno gajing kita yangi kinong chong jang ka East Hills ngimla syo ben batay ya kita gajing bangiman namar 70 to 80% inong chong hijong kaneka district kidai kiba bela mensngi but ba menmit nakti haktin hoy kajing khang benti doyong daga honorable NGT kadai kaba kta but kaba pensyam jing yang ikum kinong chong jong kaneka jala ibarok kowe
Ka Meghalaya State Skills Development Society kalapenlong ya ke recruitment drive hanong po mentakasi ban play ya kalat yok kam yok jam na kabenta ki samla jong ka district ki samla thep kam kilapenrung kerteng yala de ya phliu jingmut bat le ru ya ki interview babun chat ki bayade bat ki kam bayaha bat gijing ai jing hikai pentebet ha ki kam ba pher U Skills Development Officer uba Saibok Kriam ula ong ba kaching tmu ban penlong ya kum kini ki program kalong ban play ya kilat kilenti na kabenta ki samla wat kam da ka bayarap kodolenti bat ajing kershan yaki ula ben rap bakum kani ka kacu karensan tep kam an sa penlong ha umsning ha ka arpway turik menta ubnai bat ha bhoirembong ha ka arpusal turik bat ulaya wer ba khambun ki samla kin wan ban yashim benta bat kin yo jing mentoi na kani
Tmu jongka naka office jongi net pone MSSDS Meghalaya State Skill Development Society an pelong community chat program pelong namta ki kena samla neki unemployed ba ini neki beri ba lepas jempuli ki bawat kamajam bagi jarap yaki ban pinyo kamajam te kawai kami objective through kolong bangi ban connect ki employers ma ki employers jongi kilong kimdei tong nai nampo Meghalaya kita nu ki bana po India ba kumjuru ki international te mentang singing ka do mereka recruitment ni apa te register ki kena ne ada gara register ru idan kawai ka counseling team members ma ini ki counseling team members par ki yarap ne ki counsel issue ki nangwan kam ban ko kena ka kam kawai hab nam ta joti ban dan nang tu par ki sedang ki panelist ma interview ki screen kenya ki page karukom communication skills ki interviewing skills jom ki but lingba kani ka interview menta kasi nisa dan biang sakoi ka final round interview but ki employers ki ba nabar India kunjur ki bani ko India te kerpar kuni ki kena samla neki biorang ba mana bagi buat kapacang hani aku time report bagi nyawan yang mi syakane ka interview ya saya ni ka recruitment drive apa mentas ni pada hani aku nompo juru la apoi tarik akhia ko muslim blok bat la apsau tarik akhia ko barembong blok
Hakabayadai bat gajing subah syak pinyap cong ubah kirang saukumi ubah arpesan senem karta ubelaja nadukan riu terik menta ubenai nagi yingsa jong u. Kakemi jong u kelakirpat iki buar an ban 6 pelat iki bas subah don keti penyap wat lada 4 lap ya kamet cong ukun haduk menta. Kakemi jong u kerang kala ong ba kaying kesem kampat la ban penlong ya gajing lek niam khaddu ya u bat kim smau shngai lada pelat no iki. Hakawai pat kaliang kador bar shnong jong kanong thamai kala penlong ya gajing yat pat ba ban pirsha haluar gani gajingcha hakaba daki spangut kinong shong shnong kila dawa badai ban set along shirta ya ki badon keti.
Nghe đang ngас ngêu sik ngas ngêu slide cái này mà bị ngạc quạ đây mình dọn tiệp là đài dọn cái nước và quạ cái mình dọn tiệp được con nàng mình dọn lại nhầm lại rồi con thì hạt đậu cắt tê jar jar dọn em chỉ tiệp ra tiệp cầm nó cái quan em chỉ tiệp đã em chỉ tiệp thì nghe nàng sụt nàng cái gì cái máy mà nàng hôn cái hạt đậu mình là chu lông nọ chu lông anh chu jar jar hạt đậu cắt tê bắt em tiệp chu chả thì nghe ngặt từ con thì nghe lấy xa cắt tê qua ni sa long bị sa long con sweat con ly thì tôi già rạng lên ngalap pet nang ông đi thì em tiếp nọ bên này cái thì khi ông đi áp thì đang đi check thì có thì làm chuyện thì đây vào thì để chú ý áp trong ya picture itu.
Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor nakaleng katan chatai lamingi. Ha Assam katnat rel chong kari India kalawan ra ikijing shakri rel kabathamai na kabenta ban penyar ikijing penyaso lenti rel hakithan chatai la mingi la pli pajba ya ka Newton Sukia Tambaram Express haringkat kajing pli ya ka Udalguri Railway Station u executive member ka BTC u Ajay Kumar Hazarika ula pli pajba ya ka rel na Udalguri hagajing adonlang u assistant commissioner u Ananya Dutta batkiwe kani kachaka sange rel bathmai Lakmi nanti bakan ai jing mentoy ya kinong let nong wan bat kan penbha ya jing penyaso hapdeng ka Assam bat kathan bashathi chongkari India. Mentangin ya phai shaki khubor na kelengkari. Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi ula ong bagi India AI Impact Expo arajar arpun riu kadai gejingya lumlang haki buat gejingya syam bathamai bat gejing pen I ya ki sap ki pong ki bayar jong ke India ha kaban penwandur ya kalawai jong ke AI na kabenta gejing bha jong ke perthai lapli ya gejingya lang ha Bharat Mandapam New Delhi Menteri Rang Baduk Kari ula pentikna biang ya karai jong ke sarkar ban penwandur ya ka AI da gejingkit kli bat ka bakentup lang ya baro shu ula banjuru bagajingkiu jong kari India ha ka AI kan wanra igejingkala ha kari bat ka perthai Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi bat President Kari France Emmanuel Macron kila penlong ya gejingya kran mentakasni halor gejingya trailang hapdeng ki arri haluk bahawan ha Mumbai kini ke arngut kinong yalam kila ya kran halor kiliang ban ya trailang hapdeng ki arri ki baken thop ya kitanat ki bakongsan kum katanat ya dari kilat pahara ka khayi pateng bad ha kaliang ka kolshor Lakmi lenti ban ya soy ya bun teli ki saskular President Kari France ulale buramru ya kilanat haga jingcha sha thombor arpun riu khatway ha Mumbai bala penlong ha Taj Mahal Palace Hotel ban pinskem ya gejingya teli bat ke India ban ya khun persha ya ki kampentrium chong ki le no Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng Ashwini Vaishnaw ula ong ba ka artificial intelligence kadai ka industrial revolution lani ka jingkala hakikam karkhana kabasan habakren hakila pathai khubor hagajingalang AI Impact Summit ha New Delhi ula kdo ba gajingalang kala kentiu yiki pait ba ka penkubor yiki samla bat ka yarap na ka benta gajing pendankam ya ka AI da gajingket kli na ka benta gajingkiu ha ka yo ka kot bat ka imlang sa lang ula ong ru ba ka India ka khmi lenti ya jing beitingka kabapalat $4 billion haka AI haki ars number 1 ula benrap ba kinong yalam perthei kiriu shimpang bad kinong thau an kidang ye shong perkhat halor ka AI kat ba ka sarkar ka penet jingmut ban kentiu ye kisap ka jing sham bathamai bad ban penlong ye ke India kumkari ban shna ya ki semiconductor.
We can see the enthusiasm, it's palpable. We can see the interest of the global leaders, that's visible. We can see the investment opportunity that is today countable. It's going to be probably over the next 2 years, more than $200 billion worth investment is likely to come. We can see the commitment of VCs in our deep tech startups. That's clearly committed. We can see that interest in making AI accountable to the society, making sure that we can get the benefits of the new technology while we can contain the harms which might come from it. That consensus is also building up.
Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor nakaleng ka perthai. Unong yalam jong ka BNP Utarik Rahman ulabam smai kum menteri rang bakdu jong kari Bangladesh bathamai mentakasni ka Bangladesh Nationalist Party kalayo ikajingchap kabalatam ha ka election ka bakhatlai jong ka Bangladesh ka badangshen President Mohammed Shahabuddin ulapen bam smai ya Rahman ubalah ndri posnem karta ha South Plaza jongka Chatia Sangzat ha kajaka jongka Bangka Bhavan kajaka kabachipan long ha ki por baladep kum kadak ban yat lait na gijing buat ya kirukom barim ulampang jongka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha Om Birla haringkat bat ki wede ki nongelam na ki wekiri kilaya shimbenta ha kani ka program bam smai. Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor ya lekai. Kinongnya cycle ka MEGHALAYA Cycling Association kilawan ra buram ya gejala da gejing lekai bha jongki ha ka National Mountain Bike Cycling Championship kabalalong ha Arunachal Pradesh nadu ka khat a taring hadu ka khatsan tarik urempang ha ka ba Titus CH Marang ulayo bankur ya katak maksiar katba meban aibok lang suyam ulayo ya katak marnong ya kini kinongi lekai lapen kuburam hanehu ha kaba president ka MCA uba Lening S Bare ulayaro halor gajing job chongki shu ka sengala ong ba gajing lekai mountain biking kelas dang banyo ching itu watla ka ching beitingka bat gijing ai ching hikai bapaka kadang duna.
It's great to have the national championship in Northeast in this first time, and it's a privilege to have gotten the first position in sort to say home ground. Oh no, this is not my first time. This is my second medal at national championship. I've won my second medal in 2024, and this is my this time I've achieved the first goal. Well, I have some plans and ambitions. Next, I aim for Asian Championship and many more private races.
So bang le mountain biking ngala sedang menya sok tono badang red dimension la dan trasbet te ngala sedang men race kumte free sadu usnam ajar khatar te kade ta BMX downhill ba dong hapo bang pior mencho te ski nanto ngadang ban sedang suka MTB ajar khandai te na ajar kuwe ngadang le competitive races te ngala job bon kiris do ka international race ngala job ka bolong lasya job Red Bull no te ngakoi second hapo Mizoram. hot katali kan best part di bikila maka government kan system bikila support ini kan yarap ni kira maka cenjar personally bingin sim ya kan ni bingin le kan mengidongkan ke jaka ke bahe kala ka government menyerap lukung beki yarap kiwi ki support sih kan yarap baik mengila ki artis ini banwan ra ki medal first
Ya Kalimpong yalek kai Assam Rifles Sentinel Cup kabasaw kabala akmi lenti laslam hanong ba kelas dang dagajing don mar pratali ki kenhun yalek kai jungki shinrang bat kenthai ki ban yakun ya kanam la du ki bakin thop iki kenhun na kileng jungki shilong kumchu ki sipai Assam Rifles bat ki tanat bulit ya kani Kalimpong lapli da Major General J Singh Bensla haringkat gajing don lang ki he sipai ki khana school bat ki brio ki basha khot ngobha ha gajing yalek kai sedang kabala long ha SSA Stadium Polo kakenhun yalek kai jongka Assam Rifles kala lek kai bha bat kala penliam no ya ka Lightcourt SC da Sanko Lanot kani Kalimpong Yakob kan kut ha ka arphunyo tarik mentau benai ha ka ba kinong chop na kalyang ki shinrang bat ki kenthei kin yo mar lai lak tingka kat ba ki kenhun ki bayo ya ka runners up kin yo ar lak tingka
Goal postman sudah maukah sampai berhenti on the spot
Arif Khan ulayalek kai bha hagajia kun jong u haka Olympic da kabawan haka kerdan kabalai pukundai haka men's slalom haka Limpong yalek kai Milano Cortina arajar Alphandria Winter Olympic Games kakerdan kabahe tam balala ban penyo na kabenta ke India u president ka Indian Olympic Association u PT Usha bat u chef de mission u Amitabh Sharma kila ai kublai halor kani gajing chop jong u kabala long kajing sarong bat sakan mau hak history jong ka India timen tapat ini pej igajing long jingman ka senbeneng hakan leng ki benta jong gejela Hatura kajing kreat kalong khan Rio degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong apupra degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw menta kasngi kalong laipusan na kasispa haba phai pat shanong ba shilong kajing kreat kalong 10 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong apulai degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw menta kasngi kalong apupra na kasispa kat ba hajawai kajing kreat kalong 10 degree Celsius bat kajing shed kalong apulai degree Celsius kajing sngam ka haw menta kasngi kalong apukundai na kasispa kasin benengkan syai hatura shilong bat jawai Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngeni pej biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan Pinbana ka sarkar ban pinlong ya gajing tabwot na ka benta ka GHADC ha ka shpau tarik ubna yayong bat anyong yaki vot ha ka khatsau tarik uyayong Thung ka sarkar jilla ya laipun ringwat ki consultant bat sanpo kundai tadi ki consultancy firm ha ki tanat baper ong umentri rang ba gajilla u konrat ki sangma Menjur ke kenhun menteri jong gajilla ya ka kaipot jong ka expert panel halor ka job reservation policy Penlong Ukraine u menteri rang badu kari bad u president kari France u Emmanuel Macron ha Mumbai. Bad Bamsmai u Noyalam ka BNP u Tariq Rahman kum u menteri rang badu kari Bangladesh. Ti paralog katungila poisha ka bukut jong ka thup kubo jingi menta ga janmit hadu bangin daya syampiang bat pila syai ka sngi kublai pi baro.